What if you had a personal assistant who could manage your schedule, draft your emails, and even research information for you, all with a single command? This isn't science fiction. It's the power of AI agents, and it's revolutionizing the way we work. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly juggling tasks across different applications. AI agents are intelligent systems designed to act autonomously, simplifying complex problems and managing workflows with precision. They are more than just automation. They are capable, high-performing teammates that bring real value. With Latenode's AI agent, you can build powerful automations with zero code, connecting your favorite tools like Google Calendar, Gmail, and web search into a unified, intelligent system. Let's see it in action. This workflow is designed to be a multi-talented AI assistant. It all starts with a simple request. When a user enters a prompt, the AI agent node analyzes the natural language to understand the user's intent. Here's the magic. The AI agent decides which tool to use for the job. Need to schedule a meeting? It connects to your Google Calendar. Have to draft a confirmation email? It triggers the Gmail node. Want to find the latest news on a topic? It uses the web search tool. It can even combine these actions. For example, you could say, find recent AI news, create a short newsletter draft, and schedule a time for me to review it. The AI agent intelligently orchestrates this entire sequence. The possibilities are endless. Imagine a sales professional whose AI agent researches leads, drafts personalized outreach emails, and schedules follow-ups automatically. Or a project manager whose agent can assign tasks, send reminders, and summarize project updates from various sources. These agents can handle repetitive tasks with speed and accuracy, freeing up human employees to focus on higher-value strategic work. From managing your personal life to streamlining complex business operations, AI agents are a game changer. And the best part? You can start building your own AI assistant in minutes with Latenode's pre-built templates. Simply authorize your accounts, enter a request, and watch the automation unfold. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting with automation, the AI agent node empowers you to create sophisticated workflows with ease. Stop just managing tasks and start automating your life. Unleash the power of AI agents with Latenode and build the intelligent assistant you've always dreamed of. Visit latenode.com to get started.